Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you this type of manipulations. So here I have done some works. At first I got a background layer, then the palace and the girl and her dog, and then the shadows, lights, and then I just done my design work. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first I'll go to the file and just take a new options, that is the canvas I'll take, and it will be like a square shape. So that's why you can take any kind of square shape, and I am taking here 2000 by 2000, and the resolution will be 300 pixel per inch, and hit the create button. You'll get a new background, that is the white background, and then go to the file and place embedded options. I got a background image and I'll give you that stock download link in my video description, so check it out. And hit the tick button, right press, restylize layer, rename this one. I'm giving the name BG for the background. Go to the file and place embedded again, and I'll import this one, this PNG image. So I'll delete the other stuffs, and how to do that, go to the rectangular marquee tool and just delete this one. Before that, right press here and restylize layer, otherwise you can't delete this one. So delete this and delete this portion and the lower portion. So I deleted all the things. After that, just place over here and you can make it bigger. Yeah, that's good. And hit the tick button and mask it. After masking this one, go to the gradient tool, take this gradient and take this gradient as well, and press the shift button and just match with the background hill. And it seems like that here it is coming from the back side of the hill, so that's fine. And then just go to the file and place embedded here. Here is the PNG image, another PNG image, the girl and her dogs, and I'll make it a little bit like smaller like this, so that's fine. Okay, that's great. And place this one like they're walking through the palace, so that's fine. And then right press and restylize the layer, and then again go to the file and place embedded, and here I'll import this one, the street lamp, and I'll replace here. Right press and flip horizontal. For that it will match the shadow, so hit the tick button and place this one here, and then go to the blending mode and make it multiply, so that's fine. And right press and restylize, and just take a new blank layer and go to the color palette. I'll take like orange type color, so hit OK and go to the brush tool, and brush size will be around 125 pixel and hardness 0%, and zoom it in and click once and press Ctrl T and make it a little bit bigger and hit the tick button, and go to the blending mode and make it a screen. So this one look like a light is coming from the lamp, and it has some flare, the light flare. Okay, and hit the tick button, and then another new blank layer and same color, brush tool again, and select once. Before select once, check out the opacity 100% and flow 100%, and click once, press Ctrl T and make it bigger like that. So I'll replace this one here like this and hit the tick button, and then go to the blending mode and make it screen. So press Ctrl T again and you can control the lights like that. That's fine. So after that, go to the adjustment layer, and from here the color lookup, and here is a 3D LUT file, and from here futuristic colors. So down the fill color like around 20%, that's fine. and then go to the adjustment layer again and the levels. From here I'll adjust the level like this, so that's fine. And then go to the adjustment layer again and go to the gradient map. From here choose the gradient, the orange and violet, and then go to the blending mode again and soft light. From here I'll down the fill color, that will be like 18. That's good. And select all the things, make it group and make it merge. After that go to the filter options and camera filter. You know that the camera raw filter is the plugins of the Photoshop Creative Cloud, and if you're a user of the Creative Cloud you are getting this one by default, otherwise you have to install it manually. From here at first I'll go to the camera calibration and I'll correct the color. Yeah, this color is amazing. And from here I'll increase the sharpness and luminance as well, and from here I'll de-highlight this one a little bit and add some shadow and decrease the blacks. Yeah, that's fine, and hit the OK button. That's good. Go to the file again and go to the place embedded options. Here is the birds, the PNG, and replace this one. So I'll make it a little bit smaller and I'll just give here, so it looks like those are coming from the palace or the side of the palace, so you can adjust this one like that. So that's good. Yeah, and select two things, make it group and make it merge. After merging that, go to the filter and Nik Collection Color Fix Pro 4. Nik Collection, this one is another plugins of the Photoshop. You can download it free of cost. I'll give you that download link in my video description, so check it out. From here I'll using the cross processing, lots of methods over here, so you can choose one of them. So I'll use this one, and here is the strength options. I'll make it, you can adjust this one as your own and hit the OK button. So it will take time to load it up and give you the final output. So it's almost done. Yeah, it's already done. So this one is our final output. I think you learned a lot from this tutorial. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. And if you want to get more tutorial, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. If you want to download the stocks and other stuffs, please check out my video description. So until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.